Okay guys, welcome again in a new video. And this video is a very good video because I already developed my Windows, because I want to show you I already developed my Windows live and becomes like this. Before, the old style of my Windows is many programs, too much programs are already placed in the desktop, and it was very, maybe some people feel confused. I don't want to you feel confused when using this Windows Live. That's why I gathered and I collect all of these programs, and I put it all inside program files, inside folders. I called it tools, okay, because this is programs is a tools. I'm using it for computer maintenance and computer repairing, right? This is the first thing I wanna say. I want you to know I put all tools you'll need inside this Windows. Also, I put now I'm recording this video now by application. This application already inside this Windows Live. Right click in these tools, you will see Cam Studio. If I click Cam Studio now it's already running at the background. I'm recording this video now with the program already exists in this Windows Live. I put this Cam Studio and they already running at the background. Now I'm recording this video now with application. This application already included in this Windows Live, right? This is the first thing I want to say. Then the ISO you will download from under this video. Now you wanna convert your flash memory as a bootable. This program in the desktop Ventoy. This Ventoy program can make your flash memory bootable from the ISO you will download under this video. After you finish watching this video, the link of this Windows Live is under this video, so you will download it very easy, and you can burn it in a CD and to keep it as a backup in case of damage hard disk, your hard disk damaged or your flash memory damaged. So you will have a backup for this Windows Live because it's a very effective Windows. And I included every tools like I will show you now. Very good and useful tools and awesome things inside this Windows Live. I already put this Ventoy can make your flash memory bootable, and I put my flash memory now. This is my flash memory. I can install now. If I click install, so he will convert, this program will convert my flash memory as a bootable from any ISO. So all you need is copy this bootable ISO to your flash memory, then you will be able to boot from this ISO, right? That's all. This program will facilitate your work very much. Okay, how to make your flash memory boot from this ISO you will download under this video from this application. Double click, it will work. So just one click here, this program will convert your flash memory as a bootable flash memory. It will boot from any ISO you will copy to this flash memory, right? This is the first in this Windows Live. The second in this Windows Live, I already put all the programs before it was spreaded in the desktop. I put all of this to be able to access all of these programs was in the desktop. Both ISG, ImageX, DSM, Refus like this. Ultra ISO, I put Ultra ISO here before in the old version of my Windows, so now it's available to access it from this menu, right? This is the Hanny's Tools 2 is almost is old, but up to here this is new program. I wanna explain for you program. I wanna explain the function of these new programs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 application. But this is the most important one. That's why I created this video, because of this application. So how to share this Windows Live with all of these tools, with all the computer in the network, all computer connected by network cables to the same local area network connected by cables, right? I confirm about about the network should be connected together by a network cables, because this property you can broadcast this Windows. This is a language of servers, but broadcast means share. How to share this Windows Live, or how to broadcast this Windows Live, or this Windows image WIM, how to broadcast to all computers connected to the same local area network. because this broadcasting to this Windows Live will be facilitate your work. And if you are a network administrator and you want to make a computer maintenance or repairing to too much computers, very big numbers of computers connected to the same local area network in a company, for example, in a company or in a school or like that. So you will waste your time if you take your flash memory from computer to computer one by one like this. It will waste your time. But using this Windows Live with all of these tools available, I already put for you to make a computer repairing and maintenance. And also, if you wanna control any of these computers in the local area network, if you wanna remote control any of these computers, so you can depend on this application TeamViewer. TeamViewer also will enable you to control any computer. But when you open the program like this from extra, so go to the option at this is the LAN, incoming LAN connection, so you will accept. Okay, now you can control any of these computers already connected to your local area network. This message come because there is no local area now available. My IP, for example, now this is external IP. Loop, this is a loop IP, loop back IP for my computer because I didn't connect it to any network now. This computer is standalone computer, not connected to any network. Okay, so that's why he give me this 127.0.0.1. This is loop back IP. If your computer not connected, it will take a loop back. Okay, if your computer connected to the network and there is no routers and no servers to broadcasting any IPs like this, like DHCP, so it will take another 169 like this. It called APIPA and so on, right? So this program will enable you to remote control any of these computers in the network. Just take the partner ID. Every computer take the ID of the computer you wanna remote, so you can put the password of this computer. So you will be able to remote this computer connected to this partner, and you will make a remote control. So you can make repair from one computer. You can control all of these computers in your local area network in your place without changing your place. You're sitting on one computer and control all of these computers simultaneously, okay, at the same time. So this application will enable to you after broadcasting this Windows. So this Windows also not only repairing, and also you can depend on Microsoft Office. I put Microsoft Office 2007 very high and very good from here, network tools, Microsoft Office. Your Microsoft Office 2007, only one click to run it. It will be installed. Just wait a few seconds, maybe 5 or 6 seconds to be installed. Now installed. After installed, directly you have to open Microsoft Word and minimize it, and Microsoft Excel, minimize, Microsoft PowerPoint and minimize. Why I opened directly very fast like this after installation? Because this program, I programmed this program. If after installation, if you didn't use for 10 seconds, it will be removed to avoid crash the memory and crash the temporary files and make a problem for you while using this Windows Live. That's why I created like this. Now 10 seconds already passed, so no problem to close. You open only in need. If you need, just double click, so it will open with you like this. Now it becomes permanent. Now continuous working with you, Microsoft Word, so you can do your work no problem for you to write your office, to write your letters and like that. So it's very easy for you to use. Now this is Windows Live with Microsoft Office and everything, and also with antivirus, also SMATDEV antivirus available here in the same like before. You know, this is the old tools already exist, but the new tools now I wanna display for you. The first of them is Ventoy. How to make your flash memory bootable from the ISO. You will download from under this video. You will be able to download this ISO, this Windows Live ISO, and you will be able to burn it to CD, because it's only 700 megabyte, less than 700 megabytes. So it's very small. for you to download. You will download it very fast, and you can burn it. My advice is to burn it in a CD, because in case of your hard disk damaged or your flash memory damaged, so it's better to have a backup in your home, because this Windows will perform any task you want if you're in the absence of your Windows, or in the absence of your flash memory, right? So this program will make your flash memory bootable from ISO, no problem. So you need only copy this bootable ISO to your flash memory. You will be able to boot from this ISO, right? Now this is another thing. It's Microsoft Office. But where is the three new things? Microsoft Handy's Office tools, Handy's tools. These tools I already double drivers. What's the meaning of double drivers? Means backup drivers. You already installed the Windows, permanent Windows, or the main source of your Windows. Okay, the basic Windows already installed in your system. So you need to make a backup from all the drivers of your Windows. So you will very easy. You will run this program double driver. You will make a backup to the current system, Windows Live, or another system. I will choose another system. Where is this another system? You have to browse. You have to point where is the drive. You have to point to this Windows 10. This Windows 10 drive. Not only that, you have to choose also the Windows folder. If you didn't choose Windows folder, it will give you a message. There is no system to make a backup. No system to take a backup like this. Okay, so this message will come, because so you have to choose the folder, Windows folder, like this. So it will display all the drivers, maybe the printers, maybe the copier machine, and like this. All of these drivers already installed in some computer, so you can take a backup from all of these drivers installed in some specific operating system, installed in the computer you are sitting on with this Windows Live. So you can take a backup for all the drivers installed in this system. So you can make a backup now. So he will ask you where is the location for the new Windows backup, driver backup. So I'll take it in Windows 8. So I'll say Windows 10 drivers backup. Okay, I'll make okay. So now he is taking a backup of all of the drivers installed in my Windows 10, the basic operating system already installed in my computer. Now the operation completed successfully, right? So where is this drivers saved now? It was saved in Windows 10 drivers backup here. See, inside this folder, all of these drivers. In case of your Windows damaged and you installed the new Windows, so the main things is go to Windows and make manage inside the device manager. So any missing drivers in your computer in the new Windows, you already installed the new Windows, right? So you wanna install the drivers for this Windows. From where you will take this drivers? From the backup we created now. So right click, update the drivers, browse for this folder. So you will go to Windows 8. So Windows 10 drivers backup, and identify the folder and make okay. So it will search for the drivers you wanna install. So it will be very easy for you to get the missing driver. For example, like this, the same location it will take. So it will take the driver. You will take the drivers. You will be able to have the drivers again in the new Windows you already installed in your system. This is the third property in this Windows, right? So now we demonstrated or this now Microsoft Office. This Windows with Microsoft Office. How to make a flash memory bootable. This screen recorder. I'm recording this video now by this program. Now this video I'm recording with this program. Where is this program? Already I put it inside Cam Studio. Okay, this is double driver. The other one is Windows password. This Windows password, not only a normal password for Windows, but also the email password. Email password could be removed from the computer and reset. Could be removed from any Windows locked by email. So by using this program, you can remove this email and make reset so it will reset your Windows. Just choose the user you wanna reset the password like this, then after reset it will be blank like this, because I already make this action before. So it becomes a blank, not locked, it will be blank, right? This is how you just only choose the Windows and choose the user you wanna reset its password to. From reset it will take an action from here. So if you wanna exit this program, it's better to exit like this from process, the down UU key. This is a program, the name of the program. In the process, it's better to end it like this. So what is the other action here? Hard disk sentinel. Hard disk sentinel is used to make repairing for any damaged hard disk drive, or hard disk already has some damaged hard disk, bad sectors, has a bad sectors or like that damaged area. So you can repair this hard disk drive by using this application, hard disk sentinel. If you open this hard disk sentinel, so it will be able. Now my hard is excellent now, so no problem for my. But some hard disk you will open, you will find it maybe not 100%, you will less than this one. So you will use these tools from here to make a repairing. So you will choose from this menu, repair, disk repair. Okay, so this after making test, it will repair the damaged area. It will be repaired, so the percent here will be increased after repairing, right? So this program also is very good benefits and good utility to have it and use it. This hard disk sentinel. Also this hard access data recovery. What is the meaning of data recovery? Means if you shift delete any file, if you delete any file using shift and delete, means deleted permanently from your computer. So how to recover this deleted files? So you buy this program, this application, you will use it to recover any deleted file by shift and delete, right? So you will choose the partition. You already, for example, you removed a file from here. For example, this is Windows 7, for example. Let's make it like this. Go to Windows 7. I'll create a new text file and I name it Hani, for example. Right? This is Hani text, and I'll put it some data inside like this. Okay, then shift delete this file. This is inside Windows 7, right? So I'll take this program to Windows 7. I'll make it change, scan for the deleted files. I'll see Hani already here. See, I already deleted by shift delete. It's not exists in the recycle bin. So I see Hani there. So I'll call this program, I'll choose Hani like this. So right click on the Hani and I'll recover. I will say this phone may be incomplete due to the during instruction, this searching. So how to stop this search? Maybe I have to wait for this search to finish, just to be able to recover this one. But no problem, I'll enforce him to recover. No way, no problem. Okay, recover. Where to recover? He will ask me to where to recover to desktop. So I will say desktop. So save. Now recovered, completed. It was in Windows 7 partition. Now I can close the program. The process already completed. So I recovered Hani. Hani was before in Windows 7. I shift delete this file from this Windows 7. So shift deleted, now recovered in the desktop. Double click, I see, and this is what I write in this file before. So any shift delete file could be recovered by this ESAS data recovery 11. So any shift delete files from your system, from your operating system, from your Windows, your permanent Windows, maybe shift delete some files, a very important file, by mistake you shift delete this file, so you will be able to recover it by using this program, ESAS data recovery. So finally, Team Viewer, this program will facilitate your work about how to control all of computers in the network, your local area network, after broadcasting this Windows Live. Now the available only now is the missing or the remaining things I want to tell you now is how to broadcast all of this Windows Live with this all of these tools, awesome tools, Windows Live, and also game. You know, this feeding frenzy, this is game. If you're feeling boring sometimes and like this, so you can use this Windows Live to play games. It will make you happy. Okay, you will feel very, very happy while using these games, because this is fish and you are catching fish under the sea like that, so it will entertain yourself by using this game. Not only repairing and computer maintenance, it's also fun. Have fun by playing games and programs and broadcasting. Now the remaining only how to broadcast this Windows with this all very perfect and professional tools. How to broadcast all of these tools to the local area network to enable everyone in your local area network to have this copy of Windows and has all of these tools. The benefits of these tools make repairing, maintenance without servers, without anything. From this copy, from this Windows Live, you can broadcast this Windows Live. How to broadcast? This is I delay this one to the last of the video, because this is the last of the video. I will tell you how to broadcast this Windows Live with this all awesome tools and professional tools to all the local area network connected by cables. Okay, like I told you before, network boot. This is the tools I'll use to broadcast this Windows Live. Network boot, it will run the program here. So from here I can choose WIM, Windows image, or ISO. Right now from browse, now I have to browse for ISO or WIM, Windows image or ISO file. Where is this ISO file? In my flash memory. I can search for, this is my flash memory. I'll go to ISOs. Inside my flash memory I'll choose this Windows, this ISO file. Okay, and I can start this start service. So another way how to choose WIM, not ISO, it's better to make like this. For make open, it's better to go to my flash memory like this and go to the ISO. Where is the ISO? ISO's here. So right click, double click here, double click on this flash memory. Now opened. Okay, it's better, the very good way. I don't want this to happen, so it's better to make another things. Go to my flash memory, ISOs. So now Ultra ISO already disappeared. So how to make this files to be open again by Ultra ISO? Right click, open with, choose not, I will not choose Ultra ISO directly, but I choose an authorize the programs, and I'll make Ultra ISO always using this one, because by this way, open this one, right click, open with Ultra, choose another application. I'll choose Android to be permanent and it takes the shape of the Ultra ISO. Okay, it will take the shape. See, now take the shape of the Ultra ISO. Now double click to open. So how to mount? My computer, there is no ISOs mounted. So by this Ultra ISO I can mount this ISO to any drive. So I'll press mount. After mount, I'll check my computer now. Show refresh. See, this is the ISO already mounted, and now I mounted the ISO now by this tool. Okay, now the ISO is mounted. So from here I can choose the WIM. Where is the location of the Windows image? Inside sources folder. Inside sources folder. This boot WIM is a WIM I want to share or broadcast by. Instead of using this ISO, I want to broadcast the WIM, Windows image. If you have a WIM and you want to broadcast it to the local area network, so browse from here. So I will go to the mounted ISO. Where is the mounted? I think I take this one, shift it, slide right. This is the ISO inside sources. This is boot, and now I choose the WIM instead of ISO. So I'll start the broadcast. Here's this message about. He's warning me I have to be an administrator to have all privileges and permissions to have this program. I'll say okay, because I already the admin of this system, because this system is admin user. So no problem for this. This message maybe you will broadcast to the local area network. Maybe 3 computers will be able to load even if there is no hard disk drive fixed in this computer. You know, you have to please take care about what I'm saying exactly. If there is no hard disk drive installed in computer case on computer PC, okay, if you unplugged the cables from this hard disk drive, so you will not be able to load anything. But by network cable, if you connect a network cable from this computer and press F12 from the keyboard, you will be able to boot from LAN. You will be able to boot from LAN without hard disk drive. You know, without hard disk drive, any computer connected to the local area network, you already broadcasting this WIM now, or this Windows image. Now you are broadcasting. But what's the meaning of broadcasting? Means sharing this Windows live. I'm sharing now in the local area network. Any computer in this network connected by cable can load this Windows live now with all of these tools and the games and everything I explained in this video will be available for all computers connected to the same local area network, to the same LAN. Will be able to load this Windows live in his memory without the existing of a hard disk drive, without the existing of flash memory, without existing of anything. You will use only hardware. Only hardware. You can to be able to load this Windows live from the local. You need only network cable to load this Windows live to the computer you are using now. So I confirm, no need to hard disk drive to use this Windows live in this computer. In the other computer in the network. Okay. Now broadcasting. Maybe 3 computers will be able to load this Windows live. Maybe the 4th one, it will give you a message. Where is this a message exactly? Maybe limited. I see limited. Let's make a type. Limited. I don't know where, but maybe limited. I don't know where exactly this network boot limited. Yes, it will give you this message after booting 3 computers. It will say this message. This not synchronized boot, only 3 computers. But what is the problem? What is the solution for this problem? You have to wait to load this operating system to only 3 computers. After 3 computers loaded, full completed and completed loading this Windows, after finished, just stop this service, then close the application and try to open it again like this. Now you will be able to load again another 3 computers. You will choose the same like before, the WIM Windows image and start service. Okay, now you will be able to load another 3 computers, then and also another 3 computers, and so on until finish all computers to be able to load it until all computers loaded this Windows live you are broadcasting now. Okay, this is the main things in this video. Now I think it's very enough for you to know many things, good things and awesome things and perfect things if you are a network administrator. So you will find this Windows live with Office and everything will be perfect for you as a network administrator. So I think we are reached to the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and goodbye.